What else do we need? What trowel's trowel?
I had it in the border a minute ago.
Hi everyone. Hello. It's festive time, part one-ish, one and a bit-ish. We're going to do some festive baskets and a plant that we've got at the front.
Yeah.
So we've got a selection of holly, some
ivy, big berries.
and something with berries on it. Some Galuthria procumbens. I can't pronounce it. Big berry in English.
Big berry.
So we're going to put those in, one of those in each basket.
For the front, and we've got some ivy as well, different colours ivy.
Dangle over the sides.
A lighter green one, and then a slightly dark green one.
And we'll fill this one up with whatever's left, because the plan is I'll put some candy canes in here.
From our mixed pack, which is actually quite a nice mixed pack.
Not a bad mixed pack.
Spiky one. Cool, let's go. Let's get digging.
Where's the doodah?
There.
Let's make a good old.
I think I might need a bit more compost in mine.
Yeah, we'll take some out of mine. Use the old hanging baskets in the summer.
Fingers crossed. This little dude will be. Hopefully it's only good yet.
Yeah, it was £8, then it's reduced to £4, then they had a 25% off sale because of the lockdown. So these are £3 each.
It's big underneath. It goes right in the middle.
Yeah,
Oh, it's big.
you can make a bigger hole in the middle.
Yeah, me too. I like the fact that you're using a spade. I'll just use my hands.
Bottom of the basket. There we go, easy goes. Shove him in. And then I'll whack an ivy in the front, I think.
Did you put a big one in yours? I put one in this little green one.
So I put a big one of those in there. Put some else on the side there, I think. Hopefully.
Both the green ones. Yeah, I think that's nice.
Maybe one of those.
You've got a lot in your basket, right? Oh look, there's a big wormy in there, look.
There we go.
That's it. That's all I'm going to put in mine.
Let's top the soil in around it. So that's my one.
There's mine. I've literally just put mine at the front of the ivy. That's it.
Oop.
Whoa.
Okay. Now for this one.
Okay. We're putting all these in here. Might as well, aren't we?
Maybe.
This one definitely needs to go in there.
Yep. Better leave a bit more soil in there good. This is the saw from the failed parsnips, which didn't really work this year.
Yeah, shame that.
It's been turned over with worms, so it's nice free running. It's got plenty of feed in it, but we'll give it a little shake in it. Our favourite.
Ivy needs to go up the front room, doesn't he?
That's better. Got to tap down that. If in doubt, clump it out.
This one. Back, I think.
Yeah.
Alright. That's it. Yes.
I wish to be it.
No, I'll go on the side. That's it. Yes.
Right. Let's get a bit more saw just to top him up with, and then that'll be go back out the front, ready when I get the Christmas lights out, which will be candy canes going in there all nightly across the back set, closest to the house, and high electric cables as well.
Yeah.
So, let's get some more saw. Oh, these old age, terrible thing. Next time you'll see this, it'll be hopefully be a bit more grown, and it'll all be lit up. There we are, outside the front of the house. One basket. 2 baskets. This we're just going to trim back a bit and liven it up a bit. And that's our long one we've done at the front, which should have the candy canes on. And later on, Christmas lights will be going up there. And there's a screw hole right up there, which is where the star goes. That'll be another video.